I have a couple of disclosures to go over. I'm the founder, owner, and medical director of Tau Vitality, an integrative medical center for healing located in Hebron, Connecticut. I've been in private practice at Tau for 15 years and have spent the last 10 specializing in Lyme and tick-borne disease. I am also the co-founder and owner of Lymcore Botanicals. I've been involved in formulation, research, and development of products for 8 years, and over the past year I've been personally sourcing our herbs from farms that practice organic farming or harvest wild-crafted herbs. I source as many herbs as possible from the United States, and our tinctures are handcrafted here in Connecticut. 10 years ago, I developed severe joint pain, neck pain, headaches, confusion, insomnia, anxiety, night sweats, and fatigue, and was diagnosed and treated for Lyme, Babesia, and Bartonella. Over the course of 18 months, I took many combinations of antibiotics and antiparasitics, and by the end of that year and a half, my symptoms were mostly resolved. The puzzling part to both me and my doctors was that every time I stopped taking antibiotics, my symptoms would come back with a vengeance and within only a couple of weeks. One night towards the end of my treatment, I woke up at 3 a.m. with my typical anxiety-induced insomnia, thinking that I was going to die. I laid there thinking about a girl I treated herbally for Lyme when I was in medical school. I got out of bed at that moment, went downstairs, and started searching the internet for natural herbal treatment of Lyme disease. It was that night that I found Stephen Buhner. He happened to be having a seminar on healing Lyme disease the next month, and it was one of his last. I immediately signed up for his conference, ordered his book, Healing Lyme. I studied it over and over again and began to follow his core protocol. It took about 6 months, but after starting the Buhner herbs, I was finally able to stop taking antibiotics without relapsing. To this day, I've remained symptom-free. After seeing how much these herbs helped me, I began to incorporate them into my patients' protocols and saw that my patients were having a quicker resolution of symptoms using an integrative approach versus just antibiotics alone. I created Lymcore Botanicals with my partner, Dr. Frank Aieta, shortly after Buhner's seminar, because both of us were struggling to treat our patients. The problem was our supply of herbs that are effective for treating Lyme and tick-borne disease was not steady and often went on back order. There were many herbs that were hard to source, and when we found companies that supplied them, we had no way of knowing if they were what they said they were and if they were free from contaminants. We created Lymcore Botanicals to control the potency, purity, and consistency of our supplements and make sure that our patients would not experience a disruption in treatment again.